So here, Shamsa, in order to graph our lesson, talk about graph linear equation. So he gives us this equation, and this equation says y equal 2 over 3x plus 1. So first we need to find the slope. What is the slope in this equation, Shamsa?
The slope is 2 over 3.
So the slope is the coefficient of x, 2 over 3. What is the y-intercept?
1.
That's good. Now, in order to graph it, hey, look here. First step, find the slope and y-intercept. Done. Step 2, graph the y-intercept. Step 3, use the slope to locate second point, then draw a line. What is the meaning of that? Let's try to do it here. I'm going to do it here. Okay. Now, first of all, we find the
أيوة.
slope and we find the y-intercept. Now we will copy these guys here and we're going to apply them. What I mean by that, where is the y-intercept one? Y-intercept one is, I'm not sure, is it here or there? Where's the y-intercept? Is it the first point or the second point? What do you think?
It's first.
Come again?
First.
Why? Where?
The first one.
The first one. The first point A, يعني.
أيوة.
Shamsa, is it A or B?
It's A.
Okay. Now, Shamsa, A on which axis?
Shiny on which axis?
Do you know what's the meaning of the axis?
No.
Now, axis, Shamsa, mean the straight line here. So, what is the name of this straight line? هذا نسميه axis.
Axis.
Now, what is the type of this axis? Is it x or y axis?
X.
X axis, correct? Understood, Shamsa? What is the name of this axis?
X axis.
Okay. What is the name of this axis, Shamsa?
Y axis.
Okay, so we have two axes. The first one is x, which is the red, and the blue one is the y axis. Now, what is the name of this? What we call it?
We
فيها
call
اسمها
it
ايش كان اسمها؟
Y intercept.
Y what?
Intercept.
Okay. So it's y-intercept. Now, since it's a y-intercept, it should be on the y-axis because it's y-intercept. So it does not make sense to be here. Okay, Shamsa? It could not be here because here it's x-axis. Since you're talking about
Because
y-intercept, it should be on y.
on the blue.
Yeah, on the blue line because its name is y-intercept. So y-intercept is 1. We will go to 1 but on y-axis. So let's suppose its point is somewhere here. I'm going to do it in orange, so it will be orange. Yeah, orange is better. Okay, Shamsa. Now, what is the value of the slope?
The slope is 2 over 3.
Now we know that the slope is rise over what?
Over 1.
Over run. Now we have to rise how many units?
2.
And we will run how many units?
3.
So we are here, Shamsa. Yalla, let's rise 2 units. 1, 2. So we reach this level. Then we need to run. So I'm going to go forward. 1, 2, 3. This is the new point. Understood?
أيوة.
So this is before. وهذه after. Okay, Shamsa?
أيوة.
So we were here. We need to rise 2 units. 1, 2. Okay?
أيوة.
Then what we will do?
Will run 3.
How many units? 1, 2, 3. So where we reach this point. So far,
أيوة.
is it understood?
Yes.
Okay. After that, خلاص, we finished. After that, we are going to connect these two lines, these 2 points. I'm going to connect them with a straight line like this. You try to do a straight line like this. خلاص, we've done. Is it understood, Shamsa?
Yes.
So I'm going to repeat what I've done. First of all, we need to find slope and y-intercept. Then we will apply them. Apply y-intercept first, like this. Okay. First, you will find the y-intercept and the slope from the equation. After that, after you find the slope and the y-intercept from the equation, you will go first. You will find the slope. So, sorry. First, you will find the y-intercept. What's the y-intercept in this case?
B قصدي 1.
So you will go and put a point on the one on the y-axis. Then you will go to find the slope. The slope is 2 over 3, so it's rise over what?
Run.
So we will rise
Run.
from the point we already graph. We will rise 2 units, and then we will run 3. So we will reach the other point, the final destination, let's say. After that, we have 2 points. Just connect them with a straight line, and you are good to go. Understood?
أيوة.
Okay. Let's try to graph this question or this equation. Now, first step, find what? What we should find?
We should find the M and the y-intercept.
which is B. Yeah. What is B in this case?
B is 5.
No, focus here, Shamsa. This is the equation.
أيوة.
B is what?
Wait 1 second. B is 4.
That's correct. How about M?
M is شو اسمه 2 over minus 2 over 3.
Minus 2 over 3. Now, let's find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is very easy. Let's go and put a point on y-axis, specifically on where? Where we should put it, Shamsa?
On 4.
Yeah, let's go to the 4. So, what do you think? Is that right?
أيوة.
Here.
Wait. Yes.
No, it's not right. Why?
Oh, because it's not minus.
Yeah, I put -4. I don't need -4. I need 4. Can I put it here?
Yes.
Shamsa, focus. Here.
لا على الواي.
Yeah, here it's not correct. So it should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the what? The y-intercept. Understood so far, Shamsa? Hi, Shamsa.
Yes.
Is it understood?
أيوة.
Okay. Now, what we will write beside this rule? We will write rise over
Overrun.
Now, how much is the rise?
The rise is 2.
لا, focus.
Minus 2.
-2. That means, should I go up or down or left or right? Where should I go if the rise is -2?
Up.
How many units I will go up?
2.
And why is there's a negative if you want to go up?
فبصير تحت.
Now this is the difference between this question and the question before. The question before was plus, so no need to يعني have any problem. Just go up if he says rise. Here, it's not the same. What we have here, Shamsa?
We have run.
No. Before, when you talk about the rise, what we have here? How much is the rise, Shamsa?
3.
That's what I mean.
Oh, 2.
Shamsa, focus. Focus, Shamsa.
Ustad, the rice can 2.
لا. In this question, I'm talking about this question, Shamsa.
-2.
-2. That means I should go where?
Down.
Down. يلا. I was on 4, صح?
أيوة.
So I'm going down.
فبننزل
1,
بنصير على 2.
2. Good?
أيوة.
And then after that, how much you will run?
شو اسمه I will run 3 times.
So 1, 2, 3. You reach this point. Understood?
أيوة.
Now what should I do with these 2 points?
We have to connect them with one line.
With a straight line, like this, let's say. Yeah, you can connect them with a straight line like this. Is it understood? So in this question, a typical leopard jigsaw is 3 inches long at birth and grows at a rate of about 1/3 inches per week for the first few months. So we need to write an equation and then we will graph it. How to write the equation? We should know what is the m and we should know what is the value of b. We said m, which is the slope, usually it's يعني with the word bear or each or every or a. So bear week 1/3. So 1/3 is the value of m. Okay. How about b? The initial or the starting value at birth. How much at birth?
3.
Understood?
أيوة.
Now, what is the value of m, Shamsa?
The value of m is 1/3.
Okay. I'm going to paste this. Okay. So the value of m is 1/3. And the value of b is 3. So we will go to the point number 3, which is here. Understood? Do you see it?
أيوة.
Okay. And then after that, we will rise how much?
We will rise one time.
So we will reach the 4. Then how much we will run?
3.
So 1, 2, 3. So this is our next point. After that, I'll bring some ruler, just a normal ruler, and I will connect them. How do you find it? Is it easy or hard?
Easy.
Super easy. There's nothing يعني new. All of it is the same. خلاص, if you know what's the rule of the slope, your life will be easy. So this is the final solution. Okay, now I need you to try to solve this question on the check. Okay, next page there's a check which is here. I need you to solve it. So we will talk about the graphing the horizontal lines, and what is the horizontal lines is y equal 3. This is an equation for y equal 3. I want Shamsa to compare this equation to this equation and find the value of m and b. What do you think is the value of m? Do you have any clue?
No.
Okay, now Shamsa, if you compare this equation to this equation, you can find that here, just imagine that there's something beside the x, and this thing was 0. So it was 0x plus 3. Why it's 0x? Because the equation is y equal 3, just like this, صح?
أيوة.
That means that there is something beside the x which make it disappear. And the only thing which make the x disappear is what? What does make the x disappear? Disappear يعني go away. What does make
Yes.
the x? Yeah, 0. Because we know that 0 multiply anything will give what?
0.
So if the x is not here, that means that the m is what?
The M is 0.
Aha. So the m is 0. And what is the value of b?
3.
Good. Another equation. If someone told you that y equal -1, what is the value of m here?
The value of M is 0.
And the
لا.
value of b?
Oh. 3.
لا, here. شمسة.
أيوة.
يلا, here. What is the value of m?
شو اسمه؟
عندك شيء x
0. لا.
So the value of m is what?
-1.
Shamsa, you're not focused. One more time. I'm going to repeat it. Please focus with me. الحين إذا كان if the m was not here, هاي شوفي هاي شلت الm if it was not here, or sorry, the x is there any x in this equation? Y equal
No.
3. There is no x. What make the x disappear? If the m is 0, that means that the x خلاص it will disappear. Okay?
أيوة.
I'm going to repeat it one more time. So here x should be in the equation. If we look to this equation, there is no x. That means that the original equation was like this. It was 0x plus 3. Because we know 0x means 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3, how much?
3.
So the equation was originally like this. 0x plus 3 and 0x خلاص they will go away, so the 3 will stay alone. So if the 3 is alone, that means that the m is what?
The M is 0.
m is 0 this value بتكون b.
3.
Okay, the value of b is the number which is alone, there's no x beside it. يلا, another equation Shamsa. I hope that you understand it. Now y equal 2. What is the m here? Is there any
0.
x? Is there any x here?
No.
So m equals 0. What is the value of b?
2.
Okay. Another question. Y equal 3x plus 1. What is the m?
3.
And what is the b?
1.
Good. Now y equal 4 minus 2x. Yalla, this is harder question. M equal?
2.
لا.
-2.
That's good. B equal?
4.
Great. Now the last question. Hope that you will get it right. Suppose that y equal 5x. What is the value of m?
The value of M 5.
What is the value of b?
0.
Because it's not here, so it's 0. Understood?
أيوة.
Now, how to graph this thing? Because the teacher told me that you have to show. I'm going to repeat. Now, let's suppose that we have a question like this. Okay. Let's suppose that we have a question like this, and we have the xy axis like that. So this is the equation, y equal 3. The teacher told me in order to graph you had to find the m and y-intercept. So m here is what? What is the m here?
3
لا يا شمسة.
قصدي
No.
0
0. And the B is?
3
Okay. So in order to graph, what do we find first? We have to graph the B. Where's the B? B equal 3. So we will go to the 3 here. Okay, Shamsa?
اوكي
Now here we said rise over run. صح?
ايوه
Rise over run. How much is the rise?
the rise
Is
is 0/1
0. Great. So I will not rise. I will just what? I will just do what?
I'll just do run.
Uh-huh. So after that, I'm going to connect them. Look. Now it is what is the type of this line? It is horizontal line. So if there is only like the B, or if there is no X, that means it is horizontal what?
Horizontal
Line.
line.
Look, it's horizontal. There is no slope. There is no incline. There is no change. That's why it's horizontal. If you go back to the PDF and read what they wrote, the graph shows a horizontal what?
9.
So because it's y equal 3, I will draw quickly. If I want to draw it quickly, I will go to the 3 and draw horizontal line on the 3. If the graph was, for example, the graph was, or the question was y equal 5. How I'm going to graph it? Look here in the green color, y equal 5. How I'm going to graph it? I will go to the 5 and graph a line like this. Okay, Shamsa?
Okay.
One more time, I'm going to repeat it. Y equal 3, we will go to the 3 and we will draw a horizontal line. If it was y equal 5, what we will do?
we'll draw عند الخمسة وبنسوي horizontal line.
Because there is no slope here. Y equal 0.
y equals 0 بيكون عند الزيرو.
يعني عند ال x axis exactly. So it will be something like this.
أيوة.
Okay, last, let's suppose that y equal -2. It will be on the -2. Understood?
أيوة.
Okay, so it's too easy. Now, I need you to go to the example. Time. Now, in order to graph the vertical line, we will do the same, but we will draw a line vertically. For example, let's take this example. So here, I'm going to, yep, that's good. So x equal 4. Yeah.
بندور الأربعة عند الإكس بعد بنسوي خط.
يعني هني.
لا.
No, this is not correct. This is y.
اللي تحت.
Yeah, that's good. And then after that, I will do
خط سيدة.
like this.
لا.
Vertical. It should be vertical. Something like this.
Yeah.
I'm going to move it here. So this is x equal what?
X equals 4.
I'm going to call it vertical line. By the way, Shamsa, here we cannot find the slope and we cannot find the y-intercept because this is not in the form y equal mx plus b. We cannot compare this to that, so I cannot find the slope. If someone asks me about the slope, there is no slope. If someone asks you about the y-intercept, there is no y-intercept.
There is no y.
Yeah. Here, if it's vertical line, there is no slope nor y-intercept. Do you know what's the meaning of nor? يعني and no y-intercept. Neither there's neither slope nor y-intercept, or there is no slope and no y-intercept, because it's a vertical line and you cannot compare to y equal mx in this one. If I told you x equals 7, you know how to graph it, Shamsa?
أيوة.
Can you graph it in your book?
Okay.